If your goal is to make money on the online space in 2025, then you will love me for this. I'm going to give you steps that will help you be able to make money on the online space in 2025. Setting goals alone is not enough. You need to place systems that will help you to make the money. You need to set systems and not goals. This is one of the things that so many people do every single year. When the year starts, everybody is excited. Everybody wants to get those goals going. But the problem is we set goals, but you never achieve them. And why is the reason to why all this happens is because we have not set systems, realistic systems that are actually going to pull you, to drive you to actually achieving your goal. And this has been something that has been going on for the longest time. Even I have struggled on this, and that's why I've created this video, just to help a person out there, to help a young woman, a young man who has set themselves to actually set goals for 2025, and they want to achieve this, and they want to reach that mile they need to reach. One thing I can literally tell you is you need to set smart goals in the first place. Do not go very vigorous just because you are dotting everything down. No, you need to set smart goals. Smart goals to mean specific, they should be measurable, they should be achievable, realistic, and time bound. So this needs to be something very specific. You can set yourself for the next 30 days, for the next 90 days, this is exactly what I'm going to be working on. This is exactly what time I need to work on, and this is something I want to achieve at the end of this thing. So let me just give you a good example. If you're a mom who wants, your goal is to make money on the online space in 2025. This is your goal. You want to make $10,000, make $100,000 on by the end of the year. How do you go about it? The first thing, this is a goal, it's a big goal. So what is the realistic, the things that you actually need to do, the things you need to put in place for you to achieve this? The first thing is you need to ask yourself, how do I actually make this money? What are the things I can be able to do for me to make this money? The first one can be, you can decide to start your YouTube channel so that you can be able to monetize it. You can be able to start your blog so that you can be able to monetize it. You can be able to start a side hustle or a business on working from home so that you can be able to do this. That is something you need to put in your head and know that, okay, for me to be able to make this money, this is the thing I need to do. I need to start a YouTube channel, I need to start a blog, or I need to start a side hustle or a business. The second thing is you need to know, okay, for me to be able to achieve this, the systems I need to place. Like if I want to be able to make money on YouTube, I need to create videos. For me to create videos, how do I go about it? Will I be creating 2 videos in a week? Will I be creating 1 video in a week? Will I be writing 1 blog post? Or how can I be able to start this side hustle or this business? So let's go for the example of you starting a business. You need to start a service business. One thing is you need to have a skill. You want to offer services. Let's say you want to be a social media manager, you want to be a virtual assistant, or you just want to do anything about digital marketing or everything to do with online space and offering services to business people. The first thing is you need to have the skill. You need to acquire the skill. And how do you acquire the skill? By learning the skill. So you need to set systems. For the next 90 days, I need to learn this skill. I need to acquire the skill. I need to put myself down and actually learn this skill. So tell yourself, for the next 90 days from January to March, I need to be able to learn social media marketing. I need to be able to learn digital marketing or email marketing or any other skill. I need to put myself out there and learn. And if you're wondering how you can be able to learn this skill in 90 days, I will leave an ebook down here below that will teach you on how to learn and earn in 90 days. So you can grab your copy down here below. After you're done with all this, you actually have the skill, or you have actually known how to go about when it comes to creating your videos or when it comes to writing your blog post. What time can I be able to put aside to work on this thing? If it's working on your YouTube channel, if it's working on your blog post, if it's working on learning that skill, what time do I have available for me? If you're a busy mom working a job somewhere, or if you're a stay-at-home mom just having kids around, and I know how hectic that can be, you need to know, okay, for me to be able to build myself, I need to actually create time for myself, so I can be able to take 2 hours of my morning and 2 hours of my evening, or I can take 3 hours a day. How do I go about it so that I can learn, so that I can improve myself? That is something you need to actually write down and know exactly how to go about it. And I really recommend someone, it's very easy for you to actually dot it on a weekly or on a daily basis. Having a journal or a planner that can actually help you in knowing exactly what to do on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. And you can grab your weekly and daily planner down here on the link down here below and start planning yourself. Because one thing I know is this: if you can be able to plan at least to do 3 things on a daily basis, or just 3 things on a weekly basis, you can be able to achieve these things by setting that thing and knowing that this is exactly what I need to do on this week or on this day, so that you don't get confused and you don't find yourself procrastinating and getting tired of doing these things. Now that you have been able to set aside and you have been able to start building something and seeing something coming up, you need now to start looking on, how can I be able now to start making that money? You see, you cannot start making that money before you set the systems. Now that you have set the systems, you have learned that skill, you have created those videos, you have written those blog posts, now you can sit and tell yourself, okay, now how can I be able to make money out of this? The first thing is, maybe I need to be monetized. And what if you do not have the amount for you to be monetized? You can look for other things like affiliate marketing. That is something that I have been working on, that is actually making me money even when I'm not monetized on my YouTube channel. And that is something you can start, whether you have a YouTube channel, you have a blog post, or you're just you have just been able to learn a skill and you're creating content on social media and speaking about it and teaching people about it. You can start using affiliate marketing as a way to add money on you, as you are actually hitting that bigger goal that you have set for yourself. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, you need to understand the ins and out. This is something I have done for a whole year, and it took me a lot of time for me to be able to understand affiliate marketing. And so many people do not know how to go about affiliate marketing. Many people doing the wrong way, and that's why at times you don't see results. I did it the wrong way. I went through the hard time just for me to be able to create this ebook and help you as a beginner not to go through this hardship. You can get your copy down here below. The link is down here below. Grab your copy and start making money. The simple small cents that you can actually make from affiliate marketing will accumulate to a good amount of money that will kickstart you reaching that goal of making money on the online space in 2025. So this video was just to help someone to set goals, realistic goals, but to put on the system so that they can be able to achieve the goals they had set for themselves. Looking to grow yourself, if you're looking to work on yourself as a woman, as a young girl, you want to be able to start your business, learn new skills, make money with those skills, that this is the channel that you need to bench and bench. This is the channel that you need to bench and bench for free, because I talk all about business ideas, side hustles, making money on the online space, and learning new skills that you can be able to monetize. From me to you again, it's bye-bye.